How do I check for existence of a record in GAE? I am trying to create a simple view in Django and GAE, which will check if the user has a profile entity and prints a different message for each case. I have the program below, but somehow GAE always seems to return an object. My program is below. My model object is profile defined as follows. Thanks for the help.
I'm afraid you forgot to execute the query. Try the get method. It returns the first result, or none of the query return no results.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.